Working of two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Two-stroke engine. The first commercial two-stroke engine involving cylinder compression is attributed to Scottish engineer Dougald Clerk, who patented his design in 1881. As the name implies, the system only requires two piston movements in order to generate power. The main differentiating factor that allows the two-stroke engine to function with only two piston movements is that the exhaust and intake of the gas occurs simultaneously. The piston itself is utilized as the valve of the system, along with the crankshaft, to direct the flow of the gases. In addition, due to its frequent contact with moving components, the fuel is mixed with oil to add lubrication, allowing smoother strokes. Overall two-stroke engine contains two processes. Number 1. Top stroke. Ignition compression. The piston goes up, air and fuel enter the crankcase. The fuel-air mixture is compressed and ignited. Number 2. Downstroke. Power or exhaust. Once the fuel is ignited, the piston is pushed down, and the exhaust is expelled. Four-stroke engine. While there are many kinds of internal combustion engines, the four-stroke piston engine is one of the most common. It is used in various automobiles that specifically use gasoline as fuel, like cars, trucks, and some motorbikes. A four-stroke engine delivers one power stroke for every 2 cycles of the piston. The four-stroke processes contains 1. Intake stroke. The intake valve is open, and as the piston travels downward, this suction pulls the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. 2. Compression stroke. Both valves are now closed and the piston compresses the air-fuel into a much smaller volume, preparing the mixture for ignition. 3. Power stroke. With both valves closed, the spark plug located in the picture between the intake and exhaust valve will fire, igniting the air-fuel mixture. The resulting explosion forces the piston downward and rotates the crankshaft, which in turn propels the vehicle. 4. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve on the top right of each image is now open, allowing the piston to push the spent exhaust gases out of the engine as it rises. The 4 strokes 1 engine cycle are now complete, and the process repeats. 2- and 4-stroke diesel engine. Both 2- and 4-stroke diesel engine are similar to gasoline engine because they both are internal combustion engines. One difference is that diesel engines have a compression-ignited injection system rather than the spark-ignited system used by most gasoline vehicles. In a compression-ignited system, the diesel fuel is injected into the combustion chamber of the engine and ignited by the high temperatures achieved when the gas is compressed by the engine piston. Unlike the emission control systems on gasoline vehicles, many diesel vehicles have additional after-treatment components that reduce particulate matter and break down dangerous nitrogen oxide (NOx) emissions into harmless nitrogen and water. Diesel is a common transportation fuel, and several other fuel options use similar engine systems and components. Pros of a two-stroke engine. There are many benefits to using a two-stroke engine. Some advantages include: 1. A two-stroke engine weighs less compared to a four-stroke engine and requires less space. 2. The engine's turning movement is even since it takes 1 power stroke for each crankshaft revolution. 3. This engine's design is simple due to the lack of a valve mechanism. 4. During operation, this engine creates less friction on parts and has increased mechanical efficiency. 5. This engine features a significant power boost with a high power-to-weight ratio. 6. The engine can operate at cold and hot external temperatures. 7. The engine has inlet and exhaust ports. Cons of a two-stroke engine. Using a two-stroke engine has some disadvantages such as 1. Two-stroke engines consume more fuel, and only a small amount of fresh charges mix with gases from the exhaust. 2. You may experience a high amount of vibration or noise during operation. 3. This engine has a shorter lifespan since it incurs increased wear and tear. 4. A two-stroke engine has a narrow power band or range of speed where the engine is most efficient. 5. This engine type may become unstable while idling. 6. You may experience issues with scavenging with this engine. 7. A two-stroke engine does not burn as cleanly, leading to a higher level of air pollution than a four-stroke engine. Applications of a two-stroke engine. You can use a two-stroke engine in a variety of applications. Outdoor power equipment such as chainsaws, blowers, trimmers, and hedge trimmers use a two-stroke motor. You can also use a two-stroke engine in transportation and equipment devices such as outboard motors, motorcycles, or dirt bikes. Pros of a four-stroke engine. Using a four-stroke engine offers a variety of benefits. Some of these advantages include 1. Four-stroke engines yield higher levels of torque at a lower RPM during operation. 2. A four-stroke engine only consumes fuel once every 4 strokes, making it a more fuel-efficient engine option. 3. Four-stroke engines give off less pollution because they do not require oil or lubricant mixed in the fuel. 4. These engines are durable and can withstand higher amounts of wear and tear. 5. You will not need additional oil with a four-stroke engine. 6. A four-stroke engine produces less noise and vibration during operation. Cons of a four-stroke engine. Four-stroke engines also have some disadvantages such as 1. The additional components in the four-stroke design make these engines heavier compared to the two-stroke version. 2. A four-stroke engine contains more parts and valves, making repairs and maintenance more expensive. 3. Since it only receives power once every 4 rotations of the piston, this design is less powerful than a comparable two-stroke engine. 4. This engine design features a gear and chain mechanism, which can cause complications during maintenance. 5. A four-stroke engine requires regular maintenance, leading to an increase in costs for products and services. Applications of a four-stroke engine. Four-stroke engines are a great choice for a variety of uses, such as outdoor power equipment and vehicles. One of the most common examples of equipment powered by a four-stroke engine is a lawn mower. They are used in buses, trucks, and other transportation vehicles, pumping systems, mobile electric generators, aircraft, and marine engines. Four-stroke diesel engines find application in pump sets, construction machinery, air compressor, drilling rigs, etc. You can also find these engines in a 7ccrc engine to a Cat C18 diesel engine with approximately 800 horsepower. Thanks for watching the video. For more video, subscribe to my channel.